Welcome to this NordVPN exclusive discount coupon code tutorial. In this video, I'll be teaching you exactly how to get the NordVPN discount that a lot of people are talking about, right? So, NordVPN is literally one of the best VPN around the world. Most people are using it and they have amazing features. You can just go and check them out in the why not VPN section. You see a lot of their features, their packed features, amongst which are the threat protection, the mesh net, and a couple of other amazing features. The mesh net, dark web monitor, dedicated IP, online security, and a lot of other amazing features. You can just check that out. So, to get the discount code I talked about at the beginning of the video, all you need to do is click the link in the description below, and as soon as you click it, automatically the discount coupon code will get activated. Then you click on get the deal. Right, after clicking on get the deal, you have to now make research on which plan suits you. Okay, so immediately you click on get the deal, I told you that the discount coupon has already been activated. So what you want to do now is just check the one that sits well with you. Look at this particular one now. You've been given 69% discount. Here you've been given 70% discount, and here you've been given 69% discount. So just look for the plan that suits you. Come to this compare plans. Then you will see the features of each of those plans, right? And then you pick the one that suits you. When you are done picking, just click on get plus, right? Then you check out, and that is it. You've gotten the discount coupon that I spoke about at the beginning of this video. If you found this helpful, share with your family and friends and consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next video.